I have created this amazing editable Canva design directly from ChatGPT free of cost. So this was the image that ChatGPT created, which is static in nature. I cannot edit any of it, but here as you can see that particular image, I can edit the logo, I can edit the dates and everything. I can edit all the minute detail, I can edit, and then I can directly download this image from Canva. So in this video I will teach you in next 2 to 3 minutes how you can create this kind of design from Canva free of cost. No need of ChatGPT subscription, no need of Canva subscription, it is all free. So just stick for 2 to 3 minutes. So I have opened ChatGPT web interface, and first we need to connect Canva to our ChatGPT. So this feature that I'm going to show you is free. You need free Canva account and free ChatGPT account. No need of any kind of paid service account. So first click here on the plus icon, and here in the connectors we need to select Canva. So first, when you are not connected with Canva, you will get this type of button that is connect. So you have to connect to Canva. So if you do not have any account, it will first create an account and then you can connect your Canva to ChatGPT account. And once you click, so now as usual we'll give a prompt to ChatGPT and ask it to create an image. So I have a ready-made prompt in which I will ask ChatGPT to create an event poster. So I have written the prompt and I will press enter. So ChatGPT will take like 30 to 40 seconds to create a static image, and then we'll use Canva to make it editable, so we can edit minute things like dates of the event, like title of the event, and attach our custom logo to this image. So let's wait till ChatGPT creates that image. So ChatGPT has created an image for my event poster. You can see we have your logo written here, but we cannot put our logo here because this is not an editable image. So now what we need to do is click on this plus icon, then click on Canva, and then write something like make the above image editable, and then press enter. So now ChatGPT will work with Canva and create an editable image for you. Now it is asking that allow ChatGPT to use Canva, then we need to click on allow once. Once we click on it, ChatGPT is working with Canva and it will provide you an editable Canva image. It is saying that generating designs can take up to 30 seconds. So here we go. After we have written this prompt, ChatGPT has created a Canva design. Here is a button that is customize this design. We need to click here. Once we click here, it will open Canva for you. And as you can see here, I can feel that I can edit all the parts of this event poster. All the date, time, the logo I can change, and everything I can change, and then I can just download this image from Canva. So if you liked it, then subscribe to my channel for more such interesting productivity videos.